Hey, what's up you guys? So today, as you can see from the title, I am filming what I have recently bought. I've never done a haul before. I've watched them. Usually I see they put the price and it's like thousands of dollars. If you think that this is going to be a haul where there thousands of dollars of merchandise has been bought, then you just need to click away, just go away, because that's not like that. I have bought things from Ulta, Walmart, so we are just gonna grab all the things that I recently bought and just add them all to this video and let you guys see. By no means is this just a bragging, situation. It's just, I'm proud of the things that I was able to buy and I want to share it to the world. And eventually these products do get put into a video and I will let you know if I like something, if I don't like something. Please do not take this as like, oh, like you get to buy all this stuff. Like, it's Drugstore, it's Walmart, it's Ulta. Even at Ulta, I bought drugstore things. So don't try me. So if you'd like to know what I've recently hauled, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the first receipt is from Ulta. Okay, so from Ulta, I was able to purchase the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I am actually using that on this side of my face. I just did a makeup tutorial, glam versus natural, and then once I was done with that video, I matched this side to be glam. So as you can see, there are differences, but I tried my best. So I was able to buy this for $7. This is a really good concealer. I've used this plenty of times. I can attest that it works really well. It does not crease on oily skin. Love this concealer. The next, I bought the sample size of the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. This was $12 and it works amazing and like lengthening and separating your lashes, both bottom and top. I have very short lashes for both up and down, and they separated them really nice, but I'm gonna be honest, I would only use this for tutorials. It smears on me on my lower lash line. It does not last, so I only use this when I'm doing tutorials because I can wipe it off really quickly, and that's that. So I hate to say it, I do not like this mascara. That is not to say that I do not like Benefit products. There are a lot of Benefit products that I really do like, so do not read me to filth, okay? Like, it's just one bad product. The next items I have are eyeshadow palettes. So for this, it is just the Maybelline Matte Black. I use this to set my gel liner. I bought this for $3.42. It was on sale for buy one get one half off. I just got the one, but you still get the sale, so that is what I got. Also from Maybelline, I got the City Mini Palette in the shade Rooftop Bronzes. Looks like this. I love these shades. I have already tried these out. I've dipped into every single one of these. It was also actually buy one get one 50% off. So I did get the sale. I got it for $8.56. What a weird like number. And lastly, I got the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Warm Neutrals. This was kind of pricey, to be honest. This was $18, which is crazy because this was $15 and you get way more shades than this little thing. But this is really great to travel with. I keep talking about traveling like I go places all the time when I don't go nowhere ever. But that is the reason why I still keep this. I was going to return it, but I figured that the other palette was not really good to travel with. So in case I do, this would be better. Next off, we have TJ Maxx. So I only got one item from TJ Maxx. It was the Makeup Brush Cleaning Palette. I see these for like 16 bucks at Walmart or Walgreens and Myers, and this was $4.99. Focus. I'm really excited to use this. So far, I've just been using my hands to clean my makeup brushes, so we'll see how this performs. Next, we have Walmart. I actually got the most stuff from Walmart. So from Walmart, I got these lip colors right here. I got some lipsticks, I got a liquid lip, and I got 2 glosses. So the first gloss is the Covergirl in Berrylicious. I love this color. I want to say this was $6 or $7. I will swatch this. It's just a really nice pink. Horrible at these swatches. The next one I am actually wearing on my lips alone, so that shows you how vibrant it is. It is this. It is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer Lip Gloss. I believe this was $7.94. This is the most vibrant lip gloss I have ever seen in my life. Like, look at that color. The next is the Maybelline, wow, it sounds like I'm sponsoring them. I'm not, but if they want to, like, hit me up. I love your products. The Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is in the shade Seductress. It's already drying down. I have worn this already, and at first I wasn't sure if I liked it just because I don't really wear nudes. I always wear some type of pop of color, so nudes aren't my thing, but I have really fallen in love with this. Okay, the next are the Maybelline Color Stays. This is in the shade Toasted Truffle, and this is Mauve It. And they were both $5.50 each. So this is Toasted Truffle. Like, hello, beautiful. I can see why so many people rave about the Maybelline lipsticks. They are amazing. And so inexpensive. I mean, you can't beat that. And this is Mauve It. Like, look at that. One swipe. Look how pigmented. So opaque. Next, for brows, I have the Maybelline Total Temptations and Brow Definer in the shade Soft Brown. I actually use this already to do my brows, and I really like this. This is a perfect shade for me. Actually, I thought the spoolie was kind of weird, but it actually works really well. And then on days where I don't feel like filling in my brows and I just want a tint, I also bought the Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. So for me, I actually have pretty decent brows, so I don't always feel the need to fill them in unless I'm going for a full glam look like I am right now. So on days where I'm just trying to, you know, make my face look more put together, I will just use like a brow mascara or like a tinted brow gel like this, where it gives a little bit of color and gives it some type of shape, and it works really well. So I actually really like this product. I've used it for the past like 2 weeks and I really like this. Okay, so the last two things I bought were lash products. So I'm actually wearing the lashes right now. Holla. They are the Ardell Natural Lashes. I really love them. When I don't wear a really bold wing like I do now, you can really see how super like fluttery and wispy they are. I am obsessed. And they were $3.74. So I actually went to Walgreens first, and they charged like double for the same pair of lashes. So always go to Walmart, always compare online what they're selling it for. They will often have the same products but just at different prices for no reason. So I always go to Walmart. They usually are the cheapest option, so that is what I did. And then while I was there, I also got the Duo Lashglue. This has the brush on it, and this was $5.38. Oh, lastly, I'm sorry, I was wrong. I got the, I'm so excited about this one, the Maybelline Superstay and the Stick Foundation. So I love the liquid foundation. It is my all-time favorite drugstore foundation. So when I saw that they came in stick form, mind you, I've never tried a stick foundation. I was like, oh my god, I have to buy it. I am going to be doing a wear test, and I will post that. I haven't done it yet, but I am very soon going to be posting it or filming it. And this was $10, so it's super affordable. So I have really high hopes. I know I shouldn't because, you know, I don't want it to be like the whole Tarte Shape Tape thing. Like, we were so excited about the concealer, and then the foundation came out and everyone like flopped on it and hated it. I don't want to be too excited about this, but at the same time, I am. So altogether, my haul is not, you know, an expensive one compared to the other hauls that I've seen here, but that doesn't mean that I didn't get, you know, a lot of good products that I am really excited to use. Money is not what is important here. It's just nice to share what you have so that other people can see. So you could say like, hey, I saw that you just bought, you know, this concealer. Can you please do a review on it? That is the whole point of this. By no means, like I said before, do I want to make it seem like I'm bragging about the things that I have. You know, I work pretty hard. I don't want anyone to think that I am just boasting, because that's not my intention at all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!